Welcome back to the Declarative Academy, where we help you complete your Salesforce trails and projects. Today, we'll be diving into something fundamental but powerful, managing user access in Salesforce. This is key when setting up new team members, ensuring they have the right permissions and roles to do their jobs effectively. So, let's get started. Here's what we'll be covering today. Setting up a Trailhead playground to create a new clean work environment. Navigating to the user management page in Salesforce to create and manage user access. We will be adding 2 new users, one from the customer support team in Japan and another from North America. Lastly, verifying user email addresses to activate email functionality. First things first, we need to set up a new Trailhead playground. This is important because using an existing org might cause some issues later, so it's always best to start fresh. Scroll down, click the 3 dots next to Launch, and select Create a Trailhead Playground. It usually takes a short time to set up, so take a moment to relax while you wait. Once it's ready, we can dive into user management. Now that your playground is ready, let's jump into the Salesforce setup. Click the Setup gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Users and select it from the list. This is where you'll manage all user-related settings like adding, editing, or removing users. Let's go step by step as we create a new user profile for Fumiko Suzuki. First, click on the New User button to open up the user form where you'll be entering the essential details. Start with the basic information. First name, enter Fumiko in the first name field. Last name, type Suzuki as the last name. Email. For this demo, feel free to use your own email address. Username, get creative here. Combine Fumiko's first initial, F, her last name, Suzuki, your own initials, and your favorite color to make a unique username. For example, you could come up with something like this, where NK are your initials and blue is the chosen color. Nickname, keep it simple with Suzuki as the nickname. Title, assign her the title, Customer Support Rep. Department, choose Customer Support for the department. Role, select the role Customer Support International, reflecting her responsibilities. Now, let's update her settings to ensure they align with her regional preferences. Time zone. Set her time zone to Japan Standard Time, GMT plus 09, to match her local working hours. Locale. Select Japanese, Japan, so her interface is tailored to her region. Language. Choose Japanese as her preferred language for smoother communication. Once done, click Save and New if you want to add more users or save to finish. Now that we've added Fumiko, let's move on to adding the second user, Aaron Hler from the North American team. The steps are quite similar, but keep an eye out for a few minor differences in his settings. Click New User once again to open the user form. Now, enter Aaron's information. First name, Aaron. Last name, Hler. Alias, Ahart. Salesforce automatically generate a shortened version of the username. Username, stick to the same unique format we used for Fumiko. For Aaron, it will look like this. Then for the nickname, Ahartzler, Salesforce automatically populates this, but you can adjust if needed. Title, Customer Support Rep. Department, Customer Support. Role, Customer Support, North America. Locale settings. For Aaron, we're keeping the default settings. Language will be English. Time zone, US time zones. Finally, click Save once you've filled in all the details. And there you go. Aaron is now set up in Salesforce. The last step of this process is to verify the email addresses for both users. This is essential to ensure they'll be able to send and receive emails through Salesforce. Here's how. Head back to the users page in Setup. Click on either Fumiko Suzuki or Aaron Hler. It's your choice. Look for the Verify button next to their email address and click it. If it already says Verified, you're all set. Check your inbox for a verification email and click the link to confirm. Want to make sure everything went smoothly? Check out the hands-on challenge in Salesforce. This is a great way to verify that each step was completed correctly, and you'll rack up more points too. And there you have it, more points for you. Keep racking them up. You've successfully added new users to your Salesforce org and verified their email addresses. In the next tutorial, we'll explore managing chatter for these new users. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce tips. Until next time, declare it and get it.